Saudi Arabia. The name conjures up images of vast deserts and ancient traditions, but beyond the dunes lies a vibrant culinary landscape. Picture bustling souks overflowing with spices. Imagine the aroma of lamb kabsa slow-cooked to perfection. Envision families sharing dates and Arabic coffee, their laughter echoing through the air. This is Saudi Arabia, a country where food is more than sustenance. It's a celebration of life. In recent years, Saudi Arabia's food industry has witnessed remarkable growth. The kingdom's Vision 2030 has ignited a passion for innovation, attracting both local and international culinary talents. This surge has opened up a world of opportunities for aspiring restaurateurs. With the right blend of passion, creativity, and business acumen, your dream restaurant could soon become a reality in this land of opportunity. Are you ready to embark on this culinary adventure? Join me as we explore the essential ingredients for starting your dream restaurant in Saudi Arabia. From understanding the intricacies of the market to navigating the legal landscape, we'll equip you with the knowledge and confidence to turn your culinary vision into a thriving reality. Before you even think about menu design or restaurant decor, you need to understand your audience. Who are you cooking for? What are their tastes and preferences? In Saudi Arabia, the culinary landscape is as diverse as its people. Start by researching the local demographics. Are you targeting families, young professionals, or a mix? Consider their income levels and dining out habits. What are the popular cuisines in your chosen location? Are there any gaps in the market you can fill? Don't underestimate the power of competition. Identify existing restaurants in your niche. What are they doing well? Where can you improve upon their offerings? Thorough market research will provide you with valuable insights, allowing you to tailor your concept and menu to the specific needs and desires of your target market. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the competitive world of the food industry. Opening a restaurant anywhere in the world comes with its fair share of paperwork. Saudi Arabia is no exception, but don't let the legal requirements intimidate you. With careful planning and attention to detail, you can navigate the process smoothly. First, you'll need to choose a legal structure for your business. Common options include sole proprietorships, partnerships, and limited liability companies. Each structure has its own implications for liability and taxation, so consult with a legal professional to determine the best fit for your needs. Next, you'll need to obtain the necessary licenses and permits. These may include a commercial registration certificate, a municipality license, and a civil defense approval. The Saudi Ministry of Commerce and Investment, MCI, is an excellent resource for information on specific requirements and procedures. It's crucial to stay informed about any changes in regulations and ensure your restaurant remains compliant throughout its operation. In the world of restaurants, location is everything. The right location can make or break your business. In Saudi Arabia, consider factors such as visibility, accessibility, and proximity to your target market. High-traffic areas such as shopping malls, entertainment districts, and residential neighborhoods are generally good options. Think about your ideal customer. Where do they spend their time? What kind of atmosphere would appeal to them? Once you've identified potential locations, assess the suitability of the space itself. Does it have adequate seating capacity? Is the kitchen layout efficient? Are there enough parking spaces for your customers? Negotiating a favorable lease agreement is also crucial. Don't be afraid to shop around and compare different options before making a decision. Craving the latest in business and tech trends? Subscribe and stay in the loop. Welcome to DigiMonarch, your one-stop destination for cutting-edge insights on generative AI, cybersecurity, and the future of technology. Whether you're an entrepreneur or a tech enthusiast, we've got something for everyone. Dive into our expert tips, trend analyses, and success stories. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel and visit digimonarch.com for exclusive content and in-depth articles. Stay ahead, stay informed, stay inspired. Subscribe now.